Hi, my name is Kasik, and this is my good yellow friend Kopo.
Hello.
We are going to show you how to make cool songs with this bottle. It's very easy. It's like this, and you already hear the sound. It's like very easy and very cool, very simple,
Yes.
simple shit. And listen to this. Everybody can do this. Like
It's
this.
very simple.
It's so awesome. Yes, and let's make this kind of awesome noise. Now, did you hear that? It's so awesome.
Yes.
Let's taste. Tastes like water.
And hear that.
Like, it's so easy to make this all really cool, really awesome sounds with this bottle.
Yes.
It's if you're probably drunk, if you're not drunk. Let's make a boy band. Paneme siit out. We're going to put some music of my phone. Fuck that. Let's just make a band. Kopo, hit it. Yeah. Once more. Bubbles everywhere.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
And that's all what we get for you.
That's all.
That's all, yes. And goodbye
Bye.
now.